So titignan natin ngayon kung makakabawi naman itong kupunan ng PNP. Noel Zarate still alongside Michelle Gumabaw and Reyna Villamor. Pinasok na for the first time sa laban na ito. Ito si Lucette Dawis, the current captain actually ng University of the East, pero yung pwesto niya kinuha muna ni Jack Jonella. Here's Sang Muang as the fourth set gets underway. Tabaquero. Ito ngayon si Concepcion back in the lineup. Marciano, hulog na naman. Oy, binuhay pa rin ni Benito. Concepcion, that win is blocked there by Eulalio. Marciano off the block. Benito cannot save.
Almost. And well, I think Soraya is a spiker.
Ah, gano'n. Oh, yun nga, natatawa nga kanina si Soraya na nakita niya yung lineup eh. Nakita niya, oh, what is this?
What is this?
Yes, because Chisait now is the setter.
Bawal ba tayo mag-import sa national?
Oy, hindi pa pinuntahan sa Open. Puro sa gitna pa. Gusto ko makakita isang set na manggaling kay Chi papunta sa Open kung nandiyan si Soraya.
Hihintayin natin yan.
There's Dawis seeing her first action ngayon. Nasa harapan na po si Lucette. Eulalio, good serve. Here's Concepcion ngayon going to Molina. Molina again down the line.
Hindi pa rin makuha na kagaya ng mga deadly down the line hits itong PNP team.
Galing sa Open, si Marciano at saka si Molina talaga. Sangmuang nga, cross court pa eh.
Yes.
So sumali pa siya sa down the line. Kanina pa dapat sila nakakapuntos na marami. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Lucette Dawis ngayon, back row attack galing kay Joy Benito. Here's Concepcion, quick set papunta rito kay Molina. Molina is adapted to her role as the center spiker.
She played as a center already in their previous games, right?
Mula nung dumating si Sangmuang. Pero yung first two matches na mula pa Sangmuang, nasa Open siya nakalagay. Marciano.
Iba rin ang pag-a-adjust ng mga ganyang players.
Right. Tabaquero! Mintis. Ang ganda pa naman sana ng hang time ni Angge doon. Pero in her spare time, ito si Angge Tabaquero actually surfs. Surfer dude yan. Surfer dudette. Yung ba yung tawag sa kanila?
Dudette. Yes, pag babae.
And Soraya gets it across. Tadeo is there. Too near for Sangmuang. Hey! Good idea for Pachari against Soraya. Rexona anti-perspire deodorant. It won't let you down.
Gulang na to the highest level
siya dun. Sobrang dehado siya dun. Pero again, I'm sure si Soraya tinitignan ngayon itong si Pachari. Sinasabi, idol kita nung maliit ako.
Nung maliit.
Ngayon magkalaban na tayo. Paano ba yan, ate?
Hindi ko alam, Noel, kung insulta ba yun?
Hindi, pero ikaw, who's your favorite player? As Tabaquero cannot get there. Sino yung favorite player na panood mo from before? Kasi late ka na nag-volleyball eh.
Actually, the likes of...
Rox Pimentel?
Siyempre sa Lasal ako.
Sa Lasal. Ay, penetrante.
Oo, and Carissa Gotis.
Ayun!
And now, siguro, isa mga idol ko talaga, si Patrona.
Okay. Si Iris Ortega. Iris Ortega pa siya noon,
yes.
Diba? So, si Iris Ortega, nung nagkaabot kayo noon, nung kalaban mo siya, hindi ka ba na-starstruck?
Nung unang nakita ko na magkakampi kami sa team, nagulat ako kasi sabi ko, sino to? Ang galing-galing niya. And to think, hindi siya nagtitraining or naglalaro recently.
Yeah.
So sabi nila, taga-Lasal yan dati. Ang tagal na, hindi ko na naabutan talaga yun. And yung coach ko naman, hindi rin siya pinag-uusapan.
Si Gotis naglaro pa dito sa Shaking Billy.
Yes, and I watched her play kasi magka-batch siya ni ate, diba?
Right.
My sister played for UAAP for 1 year. Pero itong si Iris Ortega, saludo ako doon.
Oh yeah, up to now, huh?
Yes, up to now.
And here is Chisait giving it up. Concepcion now going to the Open. Sangmuang. Chisait. Joy Benito into the net. 6-point lead for PNP here in set number 4. Well, it's very important kayo para dito sa kupunan ng PNP because they're at the bottom of the standings. Yes. Tandaan po natin, dalawang team po malalaglag. Nanalo na Navy ng isang laban against FEU. FEU right now is at the bottom as Joy Benito scores to stop the bleeding momentarily. Pag nakuha nila itong panalo dito, mahihirapan na rin ang, yung Philippine Navy because yung Philippine Navy, the remaining assignments, lahat mahirap na games na. So they need to get win after win para lang to keep it interesting going into the quarterfinal stage.
Siyempre, you don't want to be at the bottom of this conference.
Magandaan pa rito sa PNP. After this game, they still have 3 more games. May dalawa pa silang kasama sa ilalim ng mga kalaban dun. Here is Molina. Benito sa mad scramble here para sa kupulan ng Cagayan Valley. Chisaet. Marciano at Concepcion nagbanggaan kaya napadouble touch si Marciano. O lifting pa daw.
I think nakikita ko na yung gagawin ni Coach Ness. Itong si Chisaet. Ako nakakatub ako na wala. Magiging spiker natin to.
Really?
Yes, spiker yan.
Titignan natin ngayon. So we can say that they have a full front line right now. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Sangmuang, Soraya, Chisaet, running attack, Lucette Dawis. Concepcion now. Delayed. Ano ba dapat? Quick yata dapat yun eh. Concepcion now. Going to Sangmuang off the block. Tabaquero is there. Benito, pasandal na tira. Dave. Free ball. Soraya. Good idea, bad result. So ngayon mga kaibigan, kami po yan, mga commentators nyo po, Noel Zarate alongside Michelle Gumabaw. Reina Villamor is also here with us. Here's Chisaet ngayon, going over to Joy Benito. Nice block by Michelle Datuin.
Solid block yun, Noel.
Again, Michelle Datuin, makuha lang niya yung timing niya, which we know she still has. She can be a factor. Our slow motion replay brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Walang katao-tao sa likod para dito sa Cagayan Valley. So, kamote na naman sila. They're down by 7.
Yes, and their top scorer, Aiza Maizo, has checked out already for this set.
Dahil Dawis ang tumatayong utility spiker ngayon, pero that time Dawis will miss. At, Aiza will return at palitan niya ito sa Chisaet. So, Soraya will return to her natural position as setter. But it is now going to be interesting. Babalik sa gitna tuloy ngayon si Dawis.
Yes, para naman mag-utility si Maizo.
Well, Dawis gets the quick, and that's off the hands of the defense of PNP. So 12-5 ang ating score.
For this set, PNP has been consistent in terms of service, receive, spiking, lahat, and wala sila masyadong errors.
Ayan yung dig na maganda galing kay Soraya. Galing sa likod naman si Tabaquero. Veronica Concepcion going to Pachari Sangmuang. Another digger and a running attack from Mitch Datuin. Ano yun? Semi-regalo.
Akala nila lahat baon. Nakita mo nagsuguran sila lahat sa gitna. But no, tinapon ni Mitch Datuin sa likod.
You gotta remember, si Mitch Datuin is not really known for her power.
Yes.
She's known more for her placement. 8-point lead now for PNP. Back set, Maizo. Binuhay ni Sangmuang pero napunta sa kabila. And Dave will actually get that one to land. Si Tipachot nakaupo na ba sa bench? Hindi, si Pau Soriano yung nakaupo sa bench. So Tipachot's not even being summoned yet by Nes Pamilar. Here's Soraya, quick set to Wenneth Eulalio. At kahit hindi masyadong nag-connect yun, yung talent na lang ni Eulalio yung nag-convert nun.
I wanna see if PNP can push this to 5 sets.
Well, they did that against Meralco nung kanilang opening match.
Yes.
And that serve by Joy Benito goes to Mars.
A lot of errors coming from Cagayan.
Yep. Licasa's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Concepcion. Here's Soraya now. Tabaquero again with a hitting error. Look at this. A 10-point lead for the Philippine National Police against the undefeated Cagayan Valley Rising Suns.
Ito ang Shakey's V-League. Tira na.
Hindi ka pa nagugulat sa score na to? 16-7?
Mukha naman kasing natutuwa pa yung Cagayan Valley. Hindi nila masyadong sineseryoso yung game. And ngayon lang sila nagpipick up or nagje-gel as a team. Itong set pa lang.
Well, PNP has been playing very well. Dave right now launches it. Tabaquero is there. Combination play ang Gesa open. Wow! Wala man lang dinaan ang braso